R.I.P. to a smelly cat, because this girl right here made a drink for that. It's pink and it's healthy, and I can't wait to show you the recipe. All right, let's get to this video. It took like 20 takes for that thing. Class about to be a session. Give me my journal. We about to talk. Alright. I'll show you that part in a little bit, okay? We're gonna put that goodness down. Hi! What is up? What's up, Salsa Squad? It's your girl, Samantha, or Sam. Whichever one you prefer, they both me, okay? So welcome back. I know I did a name change. This ain't about that. Today it is about the cranberry smoothie, honey. The reason you clicked on today's video. And today I am here to talk about just that. Before we jump into the rest of this video though, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another time when I upload. Every Wednesday and Sunday you shall receive another video from me, just in case they don't notify you. Those are the 2 days that I post, okay? Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Everything for my social media is linked down below. Without further ado, y'all, we are just gonna hop in and talk. Bear with me, I know it can get a little long. I know we all got the attention spans of goldfish. It's about helping one another and promoting a safe place, okay? And that's what you can receive and expect when you come to my channel. Simply made from my opinions and my opinions alone. I am not a medical professional because I ain't got nan PH nothing after my name, okay? Alrighty, so boom, who is this video for? This video is for any human who is having a hard time with finding a way to get rid of unwanted smell, okay? This is a great affordable way to stay healthy, to stay on a budget, and y'all, to get and remain fresh all together. This video is also for anyone who is struggling with UTIs. You are struggling with them reoccurring. You are trying to find out ways to get rid of them. You would try every over-the-counter or prescription medicine available, but they will not stop coming. There are also a lot of underlying issues that go along with this, but this right here would definitely aid in you getting rid of unwanted smell. Y'all, we can do better. Check out my other cranberry video if you haven't already, and you'll probably hear from that one too. And if you are, what is up? Like 3 years later up in this thing, we are back. We talking about that cranberry again. All right. Also, skin conditions. Y'all see that? Oh, some other stuff that help with that. Vegan, if you didn't know, back in my other video, I was nowhere near vegan. Today, almost 2 years in, I am vegan. You can go in that kitchen or first go to the store, like so. We went into the store and we went around and we grabbed frozen cranberries. I grabbed them bad boys and I brought them on home. Everything was already planted right outside that window, in the ground or in the trees, wherever, for our bodies, and it can be taken care of with taking small, simple steps. All it is research. They don't want you to know because they want to stay in business. Buy this vitamin, buy that cream, buy this liquid, when all you gotta do is go to the produce section. Let's take care of the one body that we have been blessed with, okay? And I'm gonna sip on that. Now, how often should I drink this? I personally believe that 3 to 4 times a week is ideal. I know we don't want to take the time to do it. Oh, I don't feel like going in there today and making a smoothie. No problem, honey. You ain't got to do it every day. There are other ways to get cranberries in your system as well. You can infuse it with water. You can juice the cranberries, or you can even go to the store and buy 100% all natural cranberry juice. Not, I told you on my last video, none of that ocean, nothing. No. Because if you look on the back, you're going to read, it's going to be 10,000 other things in there, taken away from the points. But the point is they make it look pretty and you just be like, oh, cranberry apple, that tastes good. When you can go in and make your own cranberry apple type energy, okay? But it's very beneficial, especially for the ladies. We have a hard time with our areas if we don't take care of them. It is a super duper sensitive area, not just sexually, but all together. If we don't take care of our lady friend, she gonna let you know that you're doing her bow, and she'll let you know through smell, she'll let you know through pain, she'll let you know through other people encountering down there and not wanting to go back, okay? And we trying to have that one. No, we are not. So make sure you are taking care of yourself. And this recipe is definitely one of those that can help you and aid in keeping everything intact. Honey, let me let you in on a secret. Odor is normal. It's the type of odor. We got normal, just regulated pH balance, regulated water intake, regulated sugars going in our bodies. All these things are being kept at a balance. Boom. So it tastes and smells like normal vagina. Then we gonna go over here to the right. Because with this drink, you can get rid of it. Alrighty, y'all, let's come on to the back of the kitchen. Come on, baby sis, bring it on over. The star of the show is these good old cranberries. These are 100% natural cranberries, meaning there is no additives inside of this bag. Make sure you aim for 100% all natural cranberries. I got some good old sweet pineapples. You know what they say about them pineapples, chew. Some ginger root right here, California oranges. And I also grabbed a pink lady apple. That's basically all I'm gonna do. And you can definitely omit or add any ingredients you want. I think I already cut everything up so we can be nice and prepped and organized. And we're just gonna dump everything inside of this beautiful blender. So what I'm gonna do is take the cranberries. So there is 3 people that'll be drinking this smoothie. So of course I'm gonna add a lot more than what I usually add to one serving. So just keep that in mind as well. Pineapples. Everything is fresh besides the cranberries. They are frozen simply because they did not have any fresh cranberries in the produce section, which I don't understand why. It's springtime. Unless, you know what, they might be out of season. That's probably why. The ginger in there. Isn't too sweet. Cranberries can be really tart, so we need some help, and this is gonna help us out. Yes, it is. Some oranges, just one orange, and I cut that bad boy in half. And this is a pink lady apple. Feel free to use whatever type of apple you want. It really doesn't matter. To top it off, we're gonna just top it off with some good old water. You can use alkaline water, but today I'm using spring water from Trader Joe's. I was gonna throw in some frozen mangoes too. Let me get those for the frozen aesthetic, you know? All right, now we're gonna top this bad boy off with the water. Water. Boop. I think that's 750 milliliters worth of water in there. This is an Oster blender. If anybody cares, Target, it was like $100. I'm not gonna lie, I like to buy decent quality stuff so I can have it longer. Anybody got time to keep paying $20 every month because they're trying to have a smoothie? Like, turn that bad boy on and hit her on up. Ah! Yeah, and that's on what? I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Three glasses of goodness for all of the ladies in the household, okay? So basically, y'all, drink this smoothie if you want to just take care and love on your body. Will be the end of today's video. Hopefully you found something to be beneficial. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you actually go out and try this, because y'all, it's super duper easy. The simple things are out there. Like, the simple ways to take care of our bodies are definitely out there. We just have to want to, for one, and we have to act on it, okay? Put it as a goal in your book and act on that goal, y'all. Like, no more sitting on our butts not taking care of ourselves. We've been doing this our whole 20s and our teens and our adolescent years and our adult years, our early 30s, our 40s, our 50s. Whoever watching this video, stop wasting time. Take care now. You have this moment right now. And I say that all the time, but you always have just this moment. Whenever you watch this video, you have this moment and this moment alone. Go out and be your best self. Smell your best. Make somebody's day, pay it forward, and be intentional and mean everything you say. And always, baby girl, remember, like they say on Lion King, remember, you are loved, you are loved with the D. And you, my friend, are light. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn that notification bell on. Make sure you share this video. Tell everybody you know. Tell your teacher to play it in her classroom, okay? And hopefully, if any students are watching this, you learn something. Stay in school, but make sure it's for the right reasons, okay? If you're in college, don't be driving out of middle school and high school and all that. stay in school and do the best you can in every single thing you do in this life, and live your own life and do what the heck you want to do, as long as it's safe, it's healthy, and it's dedicating some time and something good into this world. And that's for anybody, okay? Let's put good in. No hate, no negativity, all love and positivity always. With that being said, I love you all. So subscribe, and I shall see you on my next one. Be on out. And make sure you check out those videos about cranberries that I made before. It's just one video, I think, so I don't know why I'm putting an S on it, but it's okay. See y'all. I love y'all to pieces, and y'all know that, oh.